Welcome to MS Auto Review, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Coupe GT, an SUV that seamlessly blends high-performance engineering with luxury and practicality. Porsche has taken everything enthusiasts love about the Cayenne and dialed it up for the GT model, making it one of the most thrilling SUVs on the market. Let's explore what makes this model so special. The 2025 Cayenne Coupe GT sports an aggressive yet refined exterior design. The signature sloping roofline gives it a coupe-like silhouette, while the aerodynamically optimized bodywork enhances both aesthetics and performance. The front fascia features larger air intakes for improved cooling, and the lightweight carbon fiber hood reduces overall weight. At the rear, an adaptive spoiler and quad exhaust system provide both function and style, ensuring the GT model stands out from the standard Cayenne lineup. Under the hood, the Porsche Cayenne Coupe GT delivers blistering performance. It comes equipped with a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8, producing an astonishing 650 horsepower and 626 pound-feet of torque. This power is sent through an 8-speed Tiptronic S automatic transmission to Porsche's advanced all-wheel drive system, enabling a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.1 seconds. The recalibrated suspension system and standard Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus enhance handling, giving the Cayenne Coupe GT track-worthy agility despite its SUV proportions. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious yet performance-oriented interior. Alcantara-trimmed sports seats provide excellent support, while carbon fiber accents and GT-specific badging remind you that this is no ordinary Cayenne. The curved 12.6-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen house Porsche's latest PCM system, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an optional Burmester 3D high-end surround sound system for an immersive audio experience. Safety and technology are at the forefront of the Cayenne Coupe GT. Standard driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The optional night vision assist enhances visibility in low-light conditions, while Porsche's advanced braking system ensures optimal stopping power, even at high speeds. The GT model also benefits from rear axle steering, improving both maneuverability in tight spaces and stability at high speeds. Despite its high-performance nature, the Cayenne Coupe GT retains everyday practicality. The spacious rear seats and ample cargo space make it suitable for daily use, while the optional panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel to the cabin. The adaptive air suspension allows drivers to switch between comfort and sport modes, ensuring a refined ride when cruising but razor-sharp precision when pushing the limits. Competing with models like the Lamborghini Urus and Aston Martin DBX 707, the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Coupe GT stands out as a true performance SUV that refuses to compromise on luxury or practicality. With a price tag that reflects its elite positioning, this high-powered SUV is a statement of both engineering excellence and exclusivity. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to subscribe to MS Auto Review for more in-depth car insights. Like, comment, and let us know, does the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Coupe GT meet your expectations? Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.